Video ended because come on. Now let's do a rooftop. This is my crunchy slime. Come on. Oh shoot, no. So I'm gonna meet you guys when I'm done. I'm finished with my crunchy slime. So amazing. My crunchy slime. Well, I'm not really gonna go to school because I'm homeschooled. So yeah.